In this video, we're going to take a look at how you preview to see exactly what your form will look like once it's done, or as you're working on it. So last time I created this form, we have it here. I'm going to add a question because I always like to add this question at the beginning, so I'm not sure why I didn't at the beginning. I'm going to drag it up to the top. So I'm just going to do name. So that's the first question. So now if I want to preview this to see exactly what it looks like, if I scroll up to the top, there's some options at the top. Add-ons, theme we already looked at, settings we already looked at. If I click here to preview it, this will show me what the finished product would look like. So I click on that, it'll open up a new tab, and it'll show me, here's the form as the students would see it. So now I can actually fill this in right now, and I'm going to because I'm going to need some data later. So if I fill it in, favorite color is going to be blue, and since I'm 6'10", I'm going to click giraffe as my favorite animal, and then I hit submit. Then the kids would see this where it says, hey, your response has been recorded. Submit another response. The reason it's showing up like that is because when I went back here in settings, I didn't limit to one response. If I limit to one response, it wouldn't give them that options. Maybe I'll put that on now. So that's how you can see it, but you can see now too, I filled it out here. That's what I saw when I previewed it. Now back here in my original one, I have a response now because I filled it out. So you can also fill it out yourself to see those responses, and we're going to do that because we want to see how we can look at data of it later. So that's how you preview it. A little preview button here. You can fill it out yourself. You don't have to if you just want to see what it looks like. That's how you preview your form.